Pineapples, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about all my different trash. So I have a ton of my empties. I'm going to go through a lot of them, kind of have repeats of stuff because I go through a lot of the same product like soaps and such, but let's get on with the empties. Don't forget to subscribe, check out my videos. You guys, I am doing a Vlogmas, which means a new video every single day. So if you guys didn't know, go check out my channel. Make sure you're subscribed. I saw a couple comments already saying that they've been unsubscribed and they happen to stumble upon my channel or they researched it. So make sure you check it out. Vlogmas, a new day, a new video every single day until Christmas. So now let's get into the empties. I'm going to start off with all my soaps because yeah, my hands right now are so dry. I need lotion, but I'm someone where I've always washed my hands, always use lots of hand sanitizer. Yeah, my friend made me realize I'm a little bit of a germaphobe, not mega, but a little mini one. So I have some Bath & Body Works soaps. I only buy their soaps and their candles. That is it. So I have the Autumn Rainfall. I definitely enjoyed this one. It just brought that fall vibe to me. I am someone where I get a little bit picky with fall scents. I don't like it too musky. I don't like it too woodsy. Same goes with Christmas scents. I don't like something that's a little bit too, you know, just too foresty. I don't know how you describe it, but I do like certain scents, but this one was really good. Fresh Strawberry Tart is a repeat for me. We really love this one. It just smells like straight strawberry. It's not too sweet, and I buy this one all the time whenever it's out. Did have Don't Stop Beliefin'. I did like this one. It was like, this is an orange creamsicle. Yeah, orange vanilla swirl. I loved this one. It smelled exactly like that, like an orange vanilla shake. I don't always like a lot of the sweet scents, but that one was doable. Yes, so I have realized that with scents, this one was Girlfriend from Halloween. I don't like peony, so anything with peony is not going to be my friend. So this one was really hard to finish. The peony just does not do it for me. And then I have All About Fall, y'all. This one was just Cozy Vanilla Cream. I feel like you can't really go wrong with vanilla scents. Also, did you guys take advantage of the candle sale at Bath & Body Works? I know people were going wild. My friend sent me a video at her Bath & Body Works, and she lives in Utah, and the line was so long. I saw other lines that were just as crazy, if not more, in other areas, and it was just like, damn, people take their candles really seriously. I didn't get anything from the sale because I don't like to purchase too much, and I already have enough, and I have a couple for spring as well, but I just have just enough for each season, so I don't like hoard them too much. So candles, I have two of them that I finished. Island Daydream, amazing, probably one of my favorite scents. I think it had guava in it, right? Pineapple and mango. Okay, well, I knew it was tropical, but loved the pineapple mango in here. It was really good. You could definitely smell the pineapple for sure, like sweet pineapple. And then I've already finished my very first Christmas candle, and it's Vanilla Bean Noel. Also, I saw a TikTok hack. Instead of like boiling water or, you know, taking it out, and how people have been, I forgot the different, there's so many different ways you can take residue of the candle out. Here's a really smart one. People put it in the freezer, let it freeze, and then it just pops right out right when you hit it. It goes boop, and that's it. So you don't have to boil anything, do anything crazy, scrape anything, popped right out. So there's a little hack in case you guys want to reuse these. Finally finished CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. It took us a couple months. So Glenn and I use this every single day. I used it every morning and every night. Sometimes I would switch to other cleansers just because I want to make sure I use those as well and they don't go bad. I tried the moisturizing one and I did not care for it. I thought it did nothing. This one was great. I love the lather on it. It didn't strip my face. No weird kind of breakouts, nothing like that. No reaction. Very soft and gentle, yet just moisturizes enough. It's a great everyday. Now, if you have super dry skin, this probably won't really hydrate. You're going to have to obviously use moisturizer, serums, all that. But I think that this is a really good one for every single day, regardless of your skin type. But yeah, the foaming one was awesome. And I do plan on repurchasing it. Right now, I just have other stuff open, so I want to make sure I use those. But this one is probably my favorite product from CeraVe, hands down. Now, Derma E has been one of my favorites, and this one right here, the Anti-Wrinkle Cleanser, this one was one I was using obviously in conjunction with that one. I've had this one in my shower. It was so good, so soft, gentle. Derma E is definitely one of my favorite skincare brands. Highly recommend them. I'm currently using their toner. It is great. I love their serums, the vitamin C serum. They have so many, a tea tree one. They have some of the best products. So yeah, Derma E, you can't go wrong, and it's not too expensive and worth it. I have one more candle, and this one I know a lot of people love. Again, Sorry if you love it, I don't like it, but it was the Candle Leaves, and I couldn't finish it because, I'm so glad I got a small of the candle. I feel like I'm going to start getting the smalls because they burn a really long time, and I'm not someone where I need a huge candle all of the time. It takes me quite a while to burn one, which is why I don't like to hoard like a lot of candles. This one was so strong with the cinnamon. It was just like, it was constantly making me sneeze. Like every time I lit it, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to end up sneezing nonstop, way too strong. I won't be buying Leaves anytime soon, but I know that is such a fan favorite, but it was just too strong though. Way medium hair shampoo and conditioner. Love this stuff. I need to repurchase it. I'm kind of sad I didn't buy it when I had my 20% off. Bought Olaplex. Love that one. I got a gift set for that one, but this is probably like right there next to Olaplex. Great for every single day. My hair was so silky and shiny, and whenever I really needed to add that moisture, this everyday conditioner was great. It wasn't too heavy, and my hair just felt so silky in the shower. I love this makeup remover. It's from La Roche-Posay, and it's their micellar water. This took such a long time to use because I was using it in conjunction with another one. Probably my favorite micellar water, hands down. I loved this one from IT Cosmetics, but it's way more expensive. This one is just as good. It's actually, I like the scent on this one. It's very fresh and light. It's a little bit pricier when you buy it at Target. I believe this one is like $16, $17. It's a little bit pricier than like Garnier Fructis one. That one isn't as pricey, but this huge bottle too, you don't need a lot, and it takes away waterproof mascara, and I love that. I will definitely repurchase this over and over. I plan on getting another bottle. I am staying away from makeup wipes. What's so funny is I have my last bag of Neutrogena. I haven't been using them. I don't like them anymore. They're wasteful. I feel like I use too many wipes. The cleansers take off way more. I feel like I'm not rubbing on my eyes as much just because with the wipe, you're so used to just wiping a lot. With this, you soak with a cotton ball. So good. Way less like abrasive and rough around certain areas, especially underneath your eyes. And I have noticed a definite difference. It's just better. Boscia, I've been using the Makeup Breakup Cool Cleansing Oil. Love it. It does have a cooling effect, but overall, it is an amazing, amazing, amazing makeup remover. Of the Essence Lash Princess in green. Love this mascara. I will constantly rebuy it. It's great for separating. It's definitely long lasting, doesn't flake, and I think it's amazing. Like I do. I ended up using the waterproof one, not really caring for it, but now I love it. So my opinion changed on that. So I love the waterproof one as well. Now, when it comes to lash glue, I go through a lot of these duos, and I do like them. The only problem is that they get so freaking gunky, like, see? Like on the inside, and that's my only gripe. Look at that little thing hanging. That looks gross. It just gets too gunky, especially if you get kind of messy with it or you don't properly close it. You're going to get like a lot of sticky icky. So along with this one as well. And I love how fast they dry and you don't have to wait. But I want to show you the lash glue I've been using, and it's this one, the Brush On Adhesive with Vitamins. This one, for some reason, I don't know why, but I just feel like it's more nourishing on my eye. My eye doesn't feel irritated, and I feel like I low-key might be a little allergic to the other duo. I don't know. But this one has been okay, the one in the green and white box. So I'm going to buy this one from now on. Now, the other day, I showed in like another video how I love my Too Faced to set my eye. So I accidentally dropped it, and then you know how it gets kind of crumbly and you're like, to get rid of the crumbs, like the little breakup of the powder. Well, I went to go like this to my trash can and it all fell out. I was so sad, and just crumbled, and I was like, there was no saving it, like grabbing it, because it was just all over the place with other trash, and I was like, great. This is an empty. I didn't plan on it being an empty, but it ended up being one, and I do want to get a new one because it's a really great just translucent set that's really quick just to set the eyes and also underneath the eye. It's actually worth it for underneath the eye. I know people get picky with that area. I am definitely one of those people, but if you do a light like brush of it, it's great. It's not all the way empty, and it's a Too Faced Glow Job. Honestly, I think it's a really cool concept with like the glitter mask and all of that. It looks kind of gross, right? But it's only meant to look cute. I did it and I took it off and I was like, well, didn't really do much. And I think it's more of like a visual thing, like, hey, it's like an Instagram mask. Like, look what I have, a glitter mask. I think Too Faced should probably just stick to makeup and not to skincare, because there was another pineapple mask, and I don't know if I show that in another Empties, but I ended up just tossing it because it really did nothing as well. It was another mask, and yeah, it wasn't good. The Moon Whitening Toothpaste, I actually really enjoyed this one. I would definitely repurchase it. They ended up sending me like a whole entire PR package a while ago. I really do like their little not toothpicks, their flossers, like flosser picks, but then after a while I used another brand and then I realized they're a little bit too abrasive. They like really can cut your gums, so you got to be careful with them, but I did like them. And then I did use the mouthwash and I really enjoyed that one as well. I thought it did do some really nice whitening. And then I did use their whitening toothpaste. It doesn't have like a weird taste. I feel like certain whitening products are just so nasty. This one was not, so I would repurchase it. After they sent that to me, I would. Dawn Power Wash Citrus Scent. I'm obsessed with the Power Wash. This is the refill, but I will say I love the green apple scent the best. It's like, it smells like a Jolly Rancher candy. I love citrus scent, so that says a lot. I love the green apple. We just got another one, but this one is so good with those pans that you're just like, damn, there's just so much crap on there. How's anything gonna come off? This one really helps. So if you haven't tried this stuff, try it out. Love it. And I love this sprayer too. It sprays really well. I finished my Pixie Vitamin Makeup Mist. I love this for the morning time. It's just like revitalizing, refreshing, just hydrating. It's just like, it's like a good morning and hello in the morning time. I just love it. It's a good pick-me-up. I would randomly spray my face with this like midday, and it's just like revitalizing. I really like it. Probably one of my favorite ones. And I also do like their Milky Mist. Febreze Bora Bora. I probably will show you this in every single Empties. Best scent, hands down. Let me know which one you like. There was another one, I forgot what it was, because it was at this spa that I used to go to, and it smelled amazing and I started buying it, but then I discovered Bora Bora and I have not gone back. But let me know, what scents do you like? Then I got a sample from Sephora and I got the Verb Ghost Hair Mask. I plan on getting the full size. I entered like a code, you know, when you get like a little trial size, and it is this one right here. I definitely loved it. And my hair was so silky. I got actually 2 uses out of this, and I definitely could see a difference, feel a difference, and I love the scent of it. It's just very, very, I don't know. It's like soft, almost like cashmere, but then like also fresh. It's like a duo scent. So Verb, I'm going to pick this one up. It's their Weightless Soften Restore Deep Condition Ghost Hair Mask. Next up, I have the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. This is probably the first time I have ever finished a mascara so quick. I use this every single day. Like, I refuse to use anything else. It separates so well. I love the wand. It's not too flexible. Like, it just has just enough, you know? And I love it. I just love the separation, and it is super waterproof. And I love how it hits the bottom lashes the most. Hands down, probably one of my top favorite ones. I think it honestly beats my L'Oreal Lash Paradise, which I always raved about. This one is like gonna be my new raved one. Then I have my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer, one of my favorite brow pencils. I probably repurchased this, I don't know, 30 times by now. This is the only brow pencil that I swear by. I have been using others because I don't have a backup yet because I've used them all. And I've been experimenting. There are some other ones I like, but this one will always be my favorite. It's not too waxy. It's not too dry. It's perfect right in the middle, and it lasts. It never fades. Even if I sweat or my skin's kind of like oily, this lasts all day. So, and it's really affordable. When I buy it in Ulta, I always buy one, buy the second one, you get it 50% off. That's usually when I get it, and then you can use the coupon. Then I had to retire this one because it's way too old. I don't know what leaked on there, but it's the Origins Ginseng SPF 40. This is my second bottle of this. It is great for every day. It really moisturizes. Now, it has a sheer tint release. Honestly, it kind of looked like a little gray on me, but then it just like goes away. It doesn't really do much tint wise, but I like how there's SPF and how it made my skin look glowing. That was basically the main factor. And then I also have to retire this one because it's too old. It's the Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. The only problem with this one is that I would use it underneath makeup. I still have quite a bit, like almost half of it, maybe a little less than half. But the problem with this is that it's very thick. So whenever I would use this underneath makeup, I notice all of my, and it has a brightening factor. So it's great for those no makeup days, like legit no makeup days. So I loved it for that, but when you use it underneath your concealer or anything, it will break it apart. That's the only thing that sucks because it's super emollient, but it's great for those days when you just want to look naturally fresh. So I'm debating on buying this one. For this, I can pass just because the tint doesn't really do much, and I have other stuff that can moisturize and it has an SPF, but this one I might consider repurchasing just because it does have like that brightening factor. See? So it has like that little pearlized type of finish, so it really brightens underneath and it makes you look more awake. But this one is really good. It's just not good underneath makeup. Then I finished my Laneige lip mask. This one was in Grapefruit. Loved this one. It's still my favorite mask. I know people either have they have a love-hate relationship with it. I love it. The one I am currently using is vanilla, and then we have candy. So those two are open. And then I also bought the gummy bear one during a sale just because I know I'm going to end up using it. But yeah, those are the two we have open right now. But Grapefruit is probably one of my favorite ones because it's citrus. Honest Beauty went ahead and sent me a care package quite a bit ago, and I've been trying out things like little by little. So I decided to try out their makeup remover wipes. And like I said, I am staying away from makeup remover wipes, and I try this just when I take off swatches, and I will say I tried it on my face and this is not good. They're super dry. They tug on the face a lot. They do not remove waterproof makeup. Like I tried, I was like, oh no, this just has to come off my face right now. So what I did was basically take my La Roche-Posay, put it on the makeup wipe just so I don't have to waste a cotton ball, and then use it from there. It really didn't do much, so I don't recommend these. The scent was pretty strong as well. Then I also finished the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift. I actually really liked this one once I let it get a little bit more dry and got some more air into it. I probably liked it after it got dried out in like 2 weeks, and then I enjoyed it. The first 2 weeks I was like, it's kind of too wet. It's getting kind of clumpy, and then afterwards I enjoyed it. All right guys, well that is it for my empties. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check out my Vlogmas. I have a ton of videos that have already been pumped out. Go check them out, show some love, and I will see you beautiful pineapples in the next one. Mwah. Woo-hoo.